This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Bosch dryer that's making a lot of noise. Sounds like some kind of a metal rubbing noise. I'm just going to unplug it and open up the door. And I'm going to just feel around on the inside to see if there's something caught in there. Put my head in there, I'm looking around, and I see there's something caught between the tumbler and the front bearing. So it turned out to be a small Phillips head screw, probably from somebody's pocket. So I took it out and then back to normal sounding dryer. I hope this video has helped you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.